welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Today I have an Amazon haul from my favorite Amazon seller. I will pop up their name somewhere on the screen. I love this seller. I've been working with them for a while, so I want to say thank you to them for collaborating with me on today's video. There's some really great like office wear pieces in here. You guys have been asking me for that, so I have some really great options for you guys here. So I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up. Everything I'm about to show you in today's video is linked down below, along with my sizing, my measurements, all of that. Just click read more and everything will drop down and you will see everything listed out for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first off, we have this outfit. This entire outfit is from Amazon. So let's start off with this black shirt, which I love because it is so lightweight, and I do love the detailing on the sleeve. As you can see, the wrist part is a little bit cinched, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the shirt itself, the front of it is ruched. So I thought that was a really nice detail, and I love the little like mock neckline. Also, it's lightweight on the skin, so that's my favorite thing about the shirt. It's just really comfortable and it is stretchy, and I do have it paired with this midi length skirt, and this skirt is a sweater material. It does come with the belt, as you can see, and you can tie it into a bow and wear it however you like, or a little knot. You can wear it to the side, the front, however you feel comfortable. And I like this skirt because of the button detail. One, that's so cute, and two, it's a nice like medium thick material. So the weather is getting colder now, so if you still like wearing skirts, this is a great option because the material is a little bit thicker, so it's better for fall time. In the winter time, you can layer like some stockings underneath it to keep yourself warm. And these shoes I'm not going to spend any time on because you would have seen them a bunch of times in my Amazon videos in the past, but they are from Amazon. So yeah, this is the first office outfit look, and of course you can definitely change out the shoes for something more comfortable, but I just wanted to give you like one option. You can definitely wear flats with this. You can wear over the knee boots with this. So next up is this green top. That's the only thing I changed. So this top is definitely on the thicker side. It's comfortable, it's stretchy. So I love this top because of the neckline right here. So as you can see, it's like a little bit pleated, it's stitched that way, so I love that. And I do have it tucked into the skirt, but if I untuck it, I do want to show you what it looks like because it's a little bit different than your average top. Okay, so if you untuck the top, this is what it looks like. It's a nice like layered like wrap style top. So this is perfect to wear with dress pants. You can wear it with jeans as well. So I like that crisscross action. I love the detailing of it. I thought that was so cute. So you can actually wear it just like this. You do not need to like tuck it into your skirt at all if you don't like that look. But yeah, so it's a pretty decent length, and as you can see here, the second layer underneath is not like short or anything like that, so if this moves a little bit, you're not going to be exposing any skin or anything like that. So I thought this was another really great like office top that's a little bit different and comfortable and a little bit thicker for the colder months. So yeah, this is the second top I wanted to show you. Okay, so next up is this blazer and skirt, which is a midi length, and it is faux leather. I love this blazer. It does come with the belt, so you can cinch it in like that, or you can take the belt off and wear it as like a regular blazer. It does have a button in the middle. I just have it worn like this, but I liked the look of it cinched in with the belt. I think it looks really nice, and the skirt is really comfortable. It is definitely stretchy. I thought it wasn't going to fit me when I took it out of the box, but it does fit, it does stretch, and it is comfortable. So I do like this skirt, and as you can see, it does have like a little bit of ruching detail, so that's really nice. This blazer is like everything. This would actually be like a really great Christmas gift if someone loves clothing and they love blazers. Definitely get them this one because it's a little bit different, and the belt is like a crocodile print. It also has a bunch of holes for different sizes. I'm not really sure which shoes to pair with it, but I'm thinking like maybe nude flats or something like that, or nude heels to dress up this outfit look. These pockets are faux, by the way. They do not open up, but this blazer is so comfortable, true to size. You can layer a shirt underneath it and leave it open. So many different looks with this blazer. Again, I love this skirt. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I thought the all brown look would look really nice. So if you're looking for like an office outfit look, if you like this one and you try it out, let me know what you think. So next up we have this outfit. So This is a sweater dress from Amazon. The stockings are just some sheer stockings. I will link something similar down below. These boots are actually from Just Fab in wide calf, so I will also link these down below for you guys in case you are interested. I believe these were part of the Aisha Curry line with Just Fab, and I love them. They're so comfortable. But the real showstopper is this dress, which is a sweater dress, as you can see. But I love the detailing on it. So can you see this little detail here? It's so pretty. I love the cinched wrist. So the sleeve is like a tad bit oversized, and it does have this little belt right here, so you can tie it into a bow, into a knot, wear it at the side, you can wear it in the front. So I do like this dress. I think this is a really nice like holiday office party dress. I like this dress for a whole bunch of reasons. I love the neckline. It's definitely going to keep you warm. I love the material. It's thick, but it's soft at the same time. The belt detail, this little detail here, and I like the length of it. I feel like it's not too long, but not too short either. So if you're looking for just like a cute holiday dress, I definitely do recommend this one. I think it is so comfortable, so flattering on, and you can also layer like a coat over it for like a cute look, and I do have one to show you, so let me go grab it. This is the coat I have to show you. Absolutely love this coat. It's a pretty nice medium weight coat. It's very comfortable. It does come in other colors. I just love the look of this coat, especially paired against like an all black outfit. It just really like pops. So let me button up the coat and show you what it looks like completely buttoned up, and as you can see, it's like a fit and flare coat. So this is what the coat looks like buttoned up. It kind of looks like a little dress, so I love that look of it. It's definitely giving me like girly vibes. I think it is so adorable. It does have pockets on both sides, so it only has one button that you would button here, and then it does have this belt. I think the style is very flattering. It's so perfect for the holiday season. It's just so cute, so I definitely cannot wait to wear this because I think it is adorable. Again, it comes in different colors. I just chose this like burgundy one because I thought it would look really nice, maybe if it's like snowing outside for like some snow pictures, or just a really nice color to wear all holiday season. So that is what the back of the coat looks like. I love it. I highly recommend it. It's so flattering and so cute, and definitely feminine and girly and all of those things. So yeah, you feel like you're wearing like a coat dress, I guess. So yeah, definitely snag this one up. This would also make a really great Christmas gift for someone. So if you're looking for like a fun dressy coat, definitely try out this one. So once it's time for some comfy clothes, I have this set to show you, which I love. So first off, this is like a medium thick material, so it's going to keep you warm. The sleeve detail is so cute. It cinches at the sleeve, as you can see here, and look at this like crisscross detail, very flattering, and it's not like tight or anything like that, so it's pretty loose fitting as well. Next up are these pants. So it is a set. You get both pieces, and it is a wide leg pant. So normally I do show you a lot of joggers, but I wanted to show you something with a wider leg. So I thought some of you may like that because not everyone likes joggers. So I do love the fact that this has pockets. It's definitely comfortable. You can lounge in this. You can go out in this if you need to. It's versatile. You can wear it at home, wear it out, like whatever. So this part here is stretchy. There are no drawstrings, so it's very comfortable. So yeah, I just wanted to give you like a cozy option, and then I just have one more cozy option to show you, and we will wrap up this video. So for those of you that do like joggers, I got these, and I think you're going to like them because they're a little bit different. As you can see, they are a high-waisted jogger. They do have a drawstring, but they are like a corset style, so I thought that was so cool. So this part is corset, and this part is like a paper bag jogger, so I thought that was like so interesting and cute. And that is what the bottom looks like, and as you can see, it does have like little pleats here, and it does have pockets. This is just the same top from the other set, so I just threw it on with these, and you can actually wear it like this. I think it's really cute. These are more, I would say, like light to medium, so they're not as thick as the pants that go with this top, but they're still comfortable. Actually, I think I do prefer the lighter weight material anyways, so I think this is a cute like lounge set as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please follow me on Amazon. I will have everything linked down below, along with some coupon codes for you guys so you can save some money on these items. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.